it now and everywhere. We sing our songs.